I'm going to give you another tip that will help you navigate Classroom a little bit easier so that you can find things a lot simpler. So I'm logged into a student's account, and on this side you'll see a tab. It says Upcoming. This lists out all the assignments that you have due today, due Monday, and if there was a longer list, due other days. If you click this View All, what's going to happen is it's going to list every single assignment that's been posted in Language Arts since we started this. So I'm going to click View All. So this is every single assignment from today's assignment that I posted all the way down to the very first one that I posted on April, whatever it was, March something, okay? As you can see, a lot of these say turned in, some of them say missing, and some of them say assigned. Now this person's actually doing really well because there's less red than there is anything else. So assigned means it's been assigned, it's not due yet, and you haven't finished it yet. Turned in means obviously you've turned it in. And missing, this is what we don't want to see, missing is red and it's past the due date. So this person's actually done really well. If you have a turned in and it says done late, it doesn't matter. Okay, I put due dates in to give you an idea of how you should be managing your time, because I don't want all your assignments handed in June. That doesn't make any sense. So this is to help you. I am not marking penalties if you've done stuff late. So if you have turned stuff in and it says done late all throughout the list, it's okay. As long as you turn them in, that's what's important. Okay, so that is your list of all the assignments in Language Arts. Now let's go back to the stream view. Okay, I'm back into my stream view. Now, this always defaults to stream. So the stream is everything that I post goes in here. It's like a Facebook feed where it just lists it all. This can get quite confusing because you're not sure where to find Novel Study, you don't know where to find Reading Assistant. So I always recommend kids go into Classwork. If you go into Classwork, on the left-hand side, you're going to see all the topics that we have under Language Arts. Okay, I control how these topics appear. So the first thing I want you to notice is the technology agreement that you and your parents must read over. Now you're going to notice that there's gray icons and blue icons. So the gray icons means you've finished that already. The blue ones means those are active. Okay, so let's take Novel Study Chapter 6. That one's active. So a lot of you think this is the assignment, and it is, okay, but I highly recommend, in fact, I need you to click into View Assignment so that you can see the whole thing. And that's what I'm going to do. We're going to View Assignment. So when you click View Assignment, it looks very much the same, except it's not. On the right-hand side, right here, okay, this is what's important. If I was to give you a math page and you had to take a picture of it, this is where you would upload your attachment to the actual assignment. This way it keeps it all in one spot and I can organize it properly. All right, so in this example, this is Chapter 6. This person's going to go in and submit the Google form, but submitting the Google form doesn't make it complete. You have to go back to this assignment and mark it as done. And then that way it comes off your to-do list. If you finish the Google form but you don't mark it as done, on my end it says that you haven't finished it even though you did. Okay, so I might send a private comment to you saying, hey, I know you finished the form, but could you please go back to this assignment under View Assignment and mark it as done. If you have a question about the assignment and my office hours are closed, or it's the weekend, or it's late at night, send me a private comment. It will go directly to my email. And when you do that, I may be checking my email at night or on the weekends, and you may get a response right away. Private comments are only comments that you and I can see. Nobody else in class can see them. So I highly recommend you always have to go into View Assignment. So always go into View Assignment to view the entire assignment.